Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Asus ROG Phone 6, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. Okay, firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as to not damage your USB charging port. Of course, water resistant. I suggest using an old toothbrush, which we no longer use because toothbrush is powerful and best tool to clean any adapters, any ports on your device. Okay, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Fine. Firstly, you need to take the cover off, if you have. I have, so I will take the cover off, and cool. Now we need to insert one part of the brush into the connector and then just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.